is my Monster High box opening video. I'm getting a huge doll. It's that new Jelly Girl. Because I wasn't expecting anything else.
Take the scissors and go like this. Do that. With the scissors.
Oh, and she has huge hands apparently. And what's this? I also got her. She's huge! She's huge!
Cassidy, go on that couch.
She's huge!
Sit on the couch. There's the scissors.
I can't wait to open her up.
Wait, let me see the box.
Look how huge her head is.
Wait, get another doll. Hold on.
This one and him. Compared to him, she's humongous. How big is she? How big is Daughter of Unknown?
Find out.
And how old is she?
Look at her diary.
Wait, she comes with a diary?
Mm-hmm. Open it.
Okay, I'm starting with the back. So off of the box, she's Daughter of Unknown.
Maybe the blob.
Which is mysterious. She's huge. Look at her compared to my hand. She's huge. Zoom in on her feet. Look at her shoes. It's like a skeleton horse on a carousel. And it comes with a little saddle and everything. Oh, and look at her little crown. All these little guys are screaming and they're attached to a big monster. And the pianos are her teeth. Oh, there's shoulder pads and earrings and pink and blonde hair. Oh, and I bet her dress won't fit anyone else.
Okay.
Okay, so this doll is really huge. Look at her. Oh my God. I can't believe I have her. Okay, so look at her compared to me standing on the couch. She's like bigger than his box. Her box is bigger than his box.
Put her in the stand.
Okay. This is her stand.
And adjust it.
Bigger than her hat. Bigger. Well, the same size as my hand. Down here. And taller than my foot size. Because this length as your foot.
Put her in the stand.
Okay.
Might have to adjust it.
I just got her today. This is so hard. I like to do this with the dolls. Put on them. Slide them in with.
You have to bend her legs, jeez.
Okay, so this is also a miniature version of Avia. I just got her today in the same package. Here's her box.
It's a couch.
She's Avery Evanfo. Evanfo. And she has these like flames on her. These flames on her boots. Oh, and she has those little leg things.
It's like My Little Pony or something.
And she's like a miniature version of Avia. Anyway, so here's the Bigfoot doll compared to her.
How are their feet compare? Oh, pretty close. Wow, it's like a tiny version. How about this one?
And her. The Princess of the Sea. Kidding.
Lorna?
Yeah, Lorna.
Wow, she's so tiny. Doesn't even reach to her waist.
I know. That's one of the younger dolls. Let me go get a normal doll like Claudia or something. Okay, so here's a normal doll. Sorry. Compare it to her. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Not even up to her waist. Oh, and have you guys noticed the droplets on her?
Jelly?
Go down here. It's bumpy. Her little tiara is little and really cool. Okay. First one. So, up to my waist. Above my neck. Okay. So when I'm crossing my legs on the ground, look. Okay, so up to my shoulder. Oh, she's huge. Her head compared to mine. Oh, shoulder pads. Let's compare it to my dog. Look. Like from his butt up to his shoulder.